In this video, I'll be using Chocolatey to package and install Evernote. I'm starting this video from my GitHub page, and that's because there are a few bits of information here that I will be using for this video. And I will leave the URL in the description down below. And now I'll begin this video by downloading all the necessary files for my package, and I will start with Evernote installation file. And for that, I will use the link that I have here that brings me to the Evernote download page. Here I will click on download for Windows, and the download should start for me. Then I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this NuGet package called template, and I will be using it to create my Chocolatey package. So I'll click on the file right here. Then I will click on the button right here to download the package, and I will go to my downloads folder. And currently here we have the installation file and also the NuGet package. I will double click on the NuGet package and it opens up with NuGet Package Explorer. And because I will be packaging my installation file inside of my Chocolatey package, I will right click on Tools, then I will click on Add Existing File, and I will select the installation file that I have in my Downloads folder. And as you can see, it appeared here. Then I will double click on Chocolatey Install and on the Edit button right here. And after that, I will go back to my GitHub page because here I have this PowerShell snippet that will be responsible for executing the installation from the package. It finds the executable inside of the package, it executes the installation, and after that it removes the installation file from the computer. So let's click on the button right here to copy the snippet and let's insert it here. And here we need to provide few values. For the child path right here, we need to provide the executable file name, and for that I will go to my downloads folder. I will right click on the installation file, then I will select rename. I will select the full name to include the extension because the extension is important. Then I will right click again and I will copy the name. I will go back to my package. Then I will insert the value right here. For the package name, I will enter Evernote. Then for the file type, we need to enter exe because we are using an exe file. And next we need to provide silent switches because we want Chocolatey to execute the installation silently for this package. So let's go back to the GitHub page, and here I have the necessary silent switches. I will click on the button right here to copy the value, go back to my package and insert the value right here. And we are done modifying the script. Now we can save it and let's go back. And now I need to provide few bits of information about the package. So I will click on this edit button. And then for the package ID, I will enter Evernote. Then for the version number, I think currently the version number for this installation file is 10.64 and 3. You can enter for the author whatever you like. I will leave it at Let's Do Automation, and for the description, I will enter Evernote package. And that's it. Now let's save the bits of information. And now we can save the package. And for that, I will go to File, Save As, and I will save it inside of my Downloads folder. And I will be also using my Downloads folder as a Chocolatey repository when I will try to install this package. So let's click on Save here. And now we can try to install the package. And for that, I will open my terminal application and I will run it as administrator because we need administrative privileges to install software. And here I will enter Choco install. Then we need to provide package ID that we can see here. So it's Evernote. And because I will be using my downloads folder as my Chocolatey repository, I need to enter -s and provide my Chocolatey repository location. In my case, it's my D drive and downloads folder. Also, I will add -y and press enter. And now let's wait a bit and see what's going to happen. And as you can see, the package was successfully installed. If I minimize my Chrome window, we can see Evernote shortcut right here. I will double click on it and it gives me the sign-in screen. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, and see you in the next one.